So I actually got in the truck, cranked up instantly, started backing up, and it stopped. I think it ran out of gas. Unfortunately, I don't have enough gas to make it to the gas station in this thing. So, not going to be driving it today. I did get a little bit of driving. I'll show that right now. Well, that sucks. I think the battery died and it ran out of gas again. And as you can see, I drove for a little bit, cranked up like instantly. Plan for it. The way the TikTok Creator Fund's going, I'm gonna try to Jay-Z swap it, get a sponsorship for it. But yeah, I mean, for the most part right now, it's pretty much good until I get that engine, that 2JZ swap. After the 2JZ swap, I'm probably gonna try to lower it and try to drift this motherfucker. And it doesn't need much, maybe a new steering wheel, add the trans to go with the 2J, and a good drift e-brake and some drift seats. But I mean, I kind of like the way it looks like this. It'd be cool to have a pretty much basic Toyota truck with 2JZ swap. I'm gonna do a bumper delete on the back. I think that back bumper would look a lot better without that. Some new headlights and tail lights kind of go with it. I'm gonna black out this grill, but I'm gonna keep the Toyota emblem right there. I'm gonna black out this grill though, and maybe add a light bar in the middle where the license plate's supposed to go. And for the paint, I think I like black, as you can tell. I make everything black. Don't know about the paint. I'll take some recommendations on the paint if you guys got any. For the most part, Black Sheep Gang out. Thanks for all the love and support, everybody. I'll try to make some more videos on this truck and other stuff that we do. Whenever I take the next steps towards this, once I get the money for the 2J or whatever engine I put in it, I'll keep you guys updated. So I've been doing some research on the 2J swap. It says you can find some at a junkyard pretty cheap. I would do. I'm gonna do that. I'd rather get in just a normal 2JZ, up the boost a little bit, just enough to where I don't blow the motor. But I would love to build it if the funds keep coming in the way they're coming, and I'll fully build the 2J and put it in this truck. But for now, it's just gonna be a pretty bland 2J swap.